Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to post content using Creator Studio. Let's get started. Businesses must use Facebook's Creator Studio and take advantage of the features that are free to use. You can start posting content and view the metrics of your content as people view your posts. It is best to share video content using Creator Studio, and you can view the insights that can help you understand your audience and see what content works for your audiences. Let's start posting content on our page using Creator Studio. If you need to post content on one Facebook page, you can access the Creator Studio inside the menus of your page. Go to your page, and from the left menus, click on Publishing Tools. On the Facebook Business Suite, click More Tools from the left menus, then click Creator Studio. Under the Home tab, you can view the section where you can post something. Click on it. You will see a pop-up window to create a new post. Another way to create a post is to scroll down to the Recent Posts and click on Create Post button. Under the General section, you can write your caption for your content in the post text and links field. If you click on the small icon below the text field, you can add a background for your text post or choose plain text using this icon. Under Media, you can share photos or videos. Now let's add a photo. Facebook has the feature to detect a product on your post, so you can tag that product detected in your photo. Under Tags, you can tag products on your photo. Search for the product to tag, but make sure that product is on your Facebook shop. You can also add an optional location. Click More Options to choose Post Add-ons to include in your post. You can even use the Call to Action Get Messages. If you need to add a Call to Action button on your post, you need to remove the media that you have uploaded here. Now the location will be shown in this post since we've added a location. You can now enable the Get Messages Call to Action button here. Change the image. You may choose the same image that we have used earlier. Now you can see a Send Message Call to Action button on the preview of our post. Under Distribution Settings, you can see here that your post will be distributed to the newsfeed of your followers by default. You can select the Stop Newsfeed Distribution, then select the time and date when you want your post to stop showing in the newsfeed. The post will still be visible, but the newsfeed distribution will end. Now we have successfully posted our content with a Send Message Call to Action button. Now let's try to upload a video. On this pop-up window, write the caption for the video. Click on the Add Video button. Uploading video will have more features available to include in your post. The first tab shows you the video details. It includes adding a title for your video and describing your video inside this field. You may even add and choose a feeling or activity, check in a location, tag a product, then add a messenger button on your post so that people can initiate engagement and send you a direct message via Messenger. Then add tags such as keywords to help people find your video. You can edit your video as you click on this button. If you need to trim to adjust where your video starts and ends, you can do that here. Click Trim Video. You can use the scrubber below the video to drag on which part of the video you want to trim. It will automatically update the timestamp from the beginning and the end as well. Play your video back to check if you need to adjust the timestamp and if the video looks right after trimming. Once you're done, click Trim. You can check the Optimizations tab to make your video stand out. First, you can generate a 1:1 cropped version of your video, then choose if people can view this on mobile only or mobile and desktop. You can enable this checkbox so that you can review, adjust, and approve or discard the cropped version before you publish your post. You can also generate a 4:5 cropped version here, or publish 3 different versions as a post testing, or choose not to use smart cropping on this video. Next, the Thumbnail tab. You may choose from the images from your video, but it would be a good practice to create a custom thumbnail to attract more people to view your video. Under the Captions tab, you can enable or disable auto-generated captions. You can even upload .srt files to create captions for any language or write or paste captions directly on your video. You can add polls to your video, but it is required for you to have a video length of more than 10 seconds to be able to add polls. Click Create Poll. You can ask a question about your video to engage your viewers and find out what they think. Write your question, then add option 1 and option 2. You can also drag where you want the poll to appear. Now go back to your video details. Make sure all the details are complete. Once you're done checking, click Next. Under Publishing Options, you can choose how to publish your post. You may publish it now, set it as Premiere, Schedule, Backdate, or save it as a draft. You can also choose where your post will appear, such as on your news feed, display and watch, allow embedding, or add as a secret video. You can add a button to your videos to raise money for a nonprofit or a fundraiser. Then you can add this video that you're going to publish on one of your playlists. If you haven't created a playlist yet, you can create a new playlist here. Now let's save this as a draft first. We can manage draft posts in the Pre-Published tab. Click on the Pre-Published tab, then click on the Drafts tab. You can still edit it and publish it later. Click Edit, then under Publishing Options, choose the Publish Now option. Then below, click on the Publish button. Here's the content that we have published. You can see the first content that we have uploaded with a photo and a send message call to action button, and the video with the tagged products and the call to action button. All the content that we have uploaded will be shown under the Publish tab. We have a marketing app that allows you to track ads from your competitors. Adplify gives you 7 popular SaaS tools for total Facebook ads domination. With Page Ad Watcher, you can track ads from your competitors. With Hidden Insights and Audiences Finder, you can find high-profit audiences that Facebook Ad Manager hides from you. Boost your conversions with behavioral retargeting. With Adplify's Page Targeter, you can target the audiences and the strategies of top businesses in your niche. With Email List Audience, you can turn every lead into a buyer with Instant List to Facebook retargeting. With Ad Decorator, you can make people stop scrolling every time they see your ad. With ROI Calculator, scale your ads profitability without paying first. Try Adplify now and go to getadplify.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.